Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to jog your robot on visual components. Go to Program tab. On the Program tab, you have two options. You have Move and Jog. Let's start with Move. When you select Move, you're able to move the base of the robot, like where it's going to be placed. So you can up and down, you can turn in an angles. And then if you mess up for some reason, let's say that angle is not straight, you can just go back here on the right, click on the options, and it's back to 0. Then if you go to the option Jog, you can jog the coordinate system. So that is based on two center point, the TCP. So right now, as you can see, the TCP is on the flange. So Z is up and down here, positive going up, you have X and you have Y. And if you want to change this for the tool, it's simple. So you go here to the tool and then you select now the gripper. And as well, you need to change the coordinate system from word to object. And then you notice the coordinate system changing. So now, same thing, you can move the 3 ways of the coordinate system. The other option as well is move axis by axis, one by one, go around. And then if for some reason you don't know, like, oh, it's not coming back the way I want to, you can go here on the top and you can see this here is a reset. So when you click there, the robot go back to the initial position. So it's just make our life easier. And that's how simple it is to move your robot with visual components.